Guys, I'm come with.
My name is Anuj Bhushan Kumbar.
Okay, Anush, tell me what is confidence?
The confidence, spoken English, like people don't like to spoken English. They challenge. They they struggle to spoken English. That uh, they like to spoke English in offline online, like in e-learning classes, in offline classes, builds so much classes to spoke English. Then they will spoke English.
What's the common problem that people are facing today about Maharashtrian people, especially? What do you think?
They don't speak English in other people's, other people's say talking English in fastly and rapidly. They compromise to that people's then talk English. They will struggle to talk English. Then I will give some purpose for that people's. Then you will join a class to spoken English. In Maharashtrian people, problems to facing all problems in spoken English, other language also.
Okay, what is the misconception about English? What do you think? And if you just give me three tips to speak English as a beginner, what tips you recommended to anyone?
That tips we will join a class, say to others, then how to talk English, like our neighborhoods and other peoples. But these peoples, our Maharashtrian peoples, uh, are so ungenerated, they didn't talk English, didn't talk with other peoples. They didn't get help in that purpose. They want that they are great like other peoples. That think is so badly thinking. These things is uh, not suiting that personality of peoples. Then they will help in talking in English other peoples.
Actually, I just see a lot of people are actually hesitate and they don't take the initiate. Even they knows the English very well, they don't take the initiative to speak with people. So, what do you think about this?
They hate to the spoken English. They didn't learn in first step. They didn't learn. Then they will regret to the English. They tell that English is a bad language. I will not talk in English. That English is a so hard language. Then I will try something. I will try again and again. That things is not good for the people.
Okay, nice to meet you, bro. And what problem you are facing in English related to confidence, related to talking to people, related to talking to girls, and related to go to the stage? What problem you are facing?
I will talking to girls, wherever I will go. Then I will help from. I will do the help for people. But my help is so I will regret to talking English like girls. And my stage also, this is my confidence is so less
Imagine
for the
Chhatrapati
peoples.
Shivaji Maharaj behind you right now, and if you are imagining in that way, you'll automatically become confidence. Most of the people are don't. You're not struggling with confidence. You're struggling with mental image. Okay,
Yes.
once you have your mental image about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, you will become confident.
I will in that since Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, what they have so confidence and brave man in the world. I will not say it in the Maharashtra. They all in that his these people confidence is a higher level. And I will say that people confidently.
Now, guys, one last thing I want to tell you is that you are going to be get confidence by watching this type of people. At least he is trying to speak English. He are not better at English. I'm not better at English. Instead of wasting your time, they're like a bitch. You just kill your Afzal Khan, because at the end of the day, if you can't fight, then you work for Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb will win automatically. The life is like a jungle. You are let fight and win, or let the Aurangzeb win. There is must be only two courts. You are going in the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj court after death, or you are going in the Aurangzeb court. Now you decide which court you want to go if you don't fight. Thank you. Have a nice day, and we will meet with the next guys, next video. Great guy, great video. Thank you, bro.
Yes.
What do you want to think about this journey, this all these YouTube challenges that I'm doing and talk to random people?
Your YouTube channel is so helpful for people, adults, children. They will talk in English. They will try to talking English. They will join a class, e-learning classes, offline classes. That its purpose. Your channel is so helpful for people. You will go and another places and visit again and again, that the people thinking about your channel and websites.
See, he is also imperfect. You are also imperfect in English, right?
I am not perfect. I am
Yeah.
not talking in perfect English.
I'm also
But
not
I
perfect.
will try to spoken my to spoken in English, and trying to perfect in English.
Excuse me. You're looking very confident. See, he's also not perfect. I'm not also not perfect. So perfection is a scam actually. Most of the people are getting a perfection. One day I will get speak. You don't need to perfect to speak. You just speak and then become perfect. Illness. Thank you. You want to
Other guys not excited to talk in English. Other guys,
Yeah.
this is problem in our Maharashtra. That like a girl
It's okay. It's completely normal.
with
The thing was, you are habitual or not. If you are habitual, then it does not matter they are rejected or not.
yes.
That's it. Have a nice day, and we will meet again.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. So now you just get my own single video. You get my own single video.
Yes.